Hi everyone, so I'm back to share with you a couple of little projects that I've made. So I was inspired to make little music paper journals. I have done these before, not with music paper. I've done it with designer 12 by 12 paper years ago. And I seen lady's name is Donna, and she is the Pink Zebra UK. She is on Instagram, she is on YouTube. I'll try and remember and put a link below to her places, to her socials. So yeah, she had made one. It's something that she had done before, and then she had redone it, and again it inspired me to do one as well. Well, actually I've done two. So I made some little pouches for them. I made little notebooks to go with the little journals, and they're inside the pouches. So I will have two of these. They will be available in my shop. Link to that will be below if you're interested. And I've got loads of little blank journals for sale at the moment as well, and it's all free shipping at the moment, so grab yourself a bargain. Right, so I'm gonna start off. I've got nothing written down. I've been too busy watching Netflix to write things down. So the pouch measures, and the papers that I've used for this is a new kit that I bought from the Journal Bolt, and it is called, I think it's called Romantic Roses. So I thought it was quite obviously romantic and kind of Valentine-ish. So yeah, I used that, and I think I used some other bits from the Journal Bolt, but I'll mention it as I go through. So the pouch measures 8 inches across, and this is one of the papers from that, and it's 4.5 inches deep, and that is the back. Beautiful papers, and as you can see, it's got some fabric. I'm just cheating and doing it like that. It's just got a fabric bow, if you want to call that a bow, and like I said, I've done some stitching, added some paper to the inside, and then inside there is just a little plain notebook. It's got some lined paper on the inside, little pockets there. That measures, let me see, that measures 7 by just shy of 4. I think there's 20, 40 pages front and back. I'm just working that out in my head. So there's lined paper there on the inside if you wanted to journal, the pockets there, and the pages are just coffee dyed pages, but I have done some like flip outs there, so if you wanted to turn this into like a journal, you can do. If you want to write in it, you can write in it. So the other one in the other pouch is exactly the same, only the pockets are different, I think. So that's the little notebook. This is the little journal. Okay, it's so cute. It's so cute. Right, so anyway, I'm going to show you very, very quickly with a piece of this malfunctioned in the printer when I'm printing something out. So to make one of these, and Donna has a video on it as well, and like I said, it is something that I've done before. So you use like a rectangular sheet of paper. It can be the music paper. Obviously the smaller, this is A4, so it's going to be a smaller one, so the bigger the better. Could be a big book page from a large book, obviously. So you fold it in half, very easy. Fold it in half both ways, okay, and then on the longer part where you've got that line there, you just, and like I said, this is just a very quick demonstration, this because this will probably get used, a bit of this will get used for something, and the rest will have to go in the bin. Right, so then you have 8 sections, so you fold it that away, and then you get your scissors. Now in this and in the one Donna done, I used 2 of these, okay, so you do that, and it comes like that, and then you just squish it down like that, just kind of manipulate it, okay, and then obviously you've got your folds, the creases there. Some of these are opened, you glue them shut. So I done 2 of them. I did have another one somewhere else. Oh, I did somewhere. I don't know what I've done with it now, because I was playing around earlier. So you know, you could glue it along the top here. That's a side pocket. Then you've got a top tuck, and you would glue the bottom down, side tuck again, and then if you do two, glue this piece onto the other piece. Right, that's annoying me now where that piece went. Oh, I just dropped something. Sorry about that. I really did think I had that. I'll probably find it after I finish the video. But anyway, two of them, that's just how easy it is to do. So it's just fold, fold, fold in, fold in, fold it in half, snip up to the first one, and then just like so. Okay, so that's how easy that is, and this is what you come up with. And like I said, I done two, so I had done two music sheet papers. So on this one here it says life is the flower for which love is the honey, and that is from the kit from the journal boat. And this is the papers that I used. Donna used fabric on hers. I just reinforced some strips of paper and then put that on. Then I've put the word dream on there. That is from one of the journal boat's kits as well. So in the top one here we've got, this is a different kit from the journal boat. I can't remember what it's called now, and that's a tag that goes in there. We've got these are little stamps that I had, so I'd stamped loads of little stamps and used them as little fillers and little decoration. This is from the journal boat. So is this. It's a stamp set that I have, and I cannot remember what it's called, but if anyone's interested I'll have a look. Oh, actually I might have it handy. Yes, I do. It's this Kaisercraft, and it's called Mismatch Bingo Cards. Mismatch Bingo Cards. I don't know if they still do it, but that's what it is. So I oh, and it was that one, wasn't it? That one is there as well. This again, I think this is another Kaiser. Yes, it is. Look at me, and it's definitions. It's called Secret Admirer Definitions. It's split at the side, and I put some washi on it, and it's got all these. There you go. That's what it's got there. Okay. So that was the two that I used. Made some little pockets here from papers from the journal boat, and then little tag in there. Then here we've got a little index card with a tab on there, and that just sits in there like so. Then here we've got a glassine bag, and then inside there is just a little journal piece. I think that's a little typewriter there, and it's opened at the back there, so if you wanted to shove other things in there you can do. So that's the glassine bag. Little pockets here. Don't know where that stamp, it was a loose stamp from something, and I just stamped a few of them out, and then I just coffee dyed them, and that they're both from the journal boat. That goes in there. It just takes just as long to make little journals than it does big journals. Another tag there, and that goes in there. Then here is just a little side tuck. That's from that stamp set again. This is a definition of cherish. That goes in there. Little tag there. And here is another index card. Another tag. It's got a little cherub in there. This says adore. Definition of adore. And this says cherish. Another little glassine bag, little journal card inside there, and again that's opened at the back so you can tuck things inside there. This was another little stamp and definition of love, and a little tag there. So it was two different journal kits that I used from, did I take that out? I can't remember. Nope. That there, little tag. So there's lots of little kind of nooks and crannies in these. And then here we've got some hearts on there. It's pretty. And that goes in there. And here we've got two tags. Oh, bent that there. yeah, lots of little nooks and crannies in these, and you know, you could add more than 2 together if you wanted to, and you could make quite a little like thick one. I might try that actually, just do like a thicker one. So yeah, so that is that one with that. So let me put that back in there out of the way so I don't muddle them up, and sit that there. And then this one is different. So again, that same paper, but I'd kind of done them like the other way around. Oh, stitched journal. It's called journal. The other one said notes, I think, and that's the pockets inside there and here, and again another pocket, and the papers are just the same with all the little flip out pieces, so they're identical. Okay. And then this little one, it says, how do I love thee, let me count the ways, and that is the back. So this one's got little tags in the front here. It says love, and then here the so fiddly when they're little, little journal card, and as you can see, all the backgrounds are music paper. That's more of the little stamp sentiments. Got a little tag there, and little index card in there. Here we've got the definition of love and a little journal piece there. Then cherish here. A little glassine bag with the little journal card inside there, and that's opened at the side there as well, so if you wanted to tuck things inside there you can. Little journal, well, little stamped pieces, little journal cards and a postcard, and they go, oops, upside down. Little tag, index card, another tag there, and journal card and some stamped pieces. A little side tuck, definition of cherish, little journal card there with the roses. Another glassine bag with little journal card, and again that's opened behind, so if you want to tuck something in. Then we've got another index card here, another pocket, and little ticket, some index, not an index card, a postcard, and a little journal piece here. And in the back there, is that the back? That's the back. We have that tag there. So that's kind of how they sit as well. You could sit that on a shelf if you wanted to. You can fill it up. You can tie like a bit of ribbon around it if you want to. So there we have it. 2 of these. And like I said, they'll both be listed in my shop if you're interested. The links will be below. That's got to go that way. Okay, free shipping. Check out my other things. I'll put a video up of the other journals that are for sale at the end of this video. It'll be up on the screen anytime now. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.